Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you guys my makeup drawer. This is everything that I have been using for the past couple of months here, and I kind of want to show you guys what I have been loving and what I have not been loving so much. I also want to switch out a couple of things. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so to start off, I have my Michaela palette. Collaboration with Glamlight, and this is how it looks like. I have not played with this yet, so I am going to keep this in my drawer. Next, I have my Physicians Formula Butter Collection with Whaley, and here's how that one looks like. I am going to put this away because it's been in my drawer for months and I haven't really touched it, so I'm gonna put that away. Then I have my All-Star palette, and I got this one because of Tarte, and honestly I've only been using the bronzer, so I'm gonna put this one away as well. Next I have my Narvina palette, and here's how that one looks. I took this one out because I wanted to use it for the spring. I might leave it in, I'm not sure, so this one's gonna be a maybe. I have a faux mink fake eyelashes, and I bought this at TJ Maxx. I don't really like it, so I'm gonna put this one away. I have two Ioni fake lashes, and I got these at the Dollar Tree. I don't think I'm gonna ever use this one, so I'm gonna put this one away as well. And I have this one, and this one's more of a natural fake lash, and so I am going to keep this one in my drawer. I have two Naked Lashes by Ardell, and I love these. These are my favorite fake lashes ever. If you guys have not tried it, please try them out because they're so good. Next, I have another one, and this one is in 424. I have already used these and cut them to my size, so yeah, definitely love these. I have two Colourpop palettes. This one is in Born to Blush. I think I am going to put this one away because I have been using it a lot and I kind of want to use something else now. I also have it in At First Crush, and this one's more of a darker tone, and I am going to put this one away as well. Then I have two collab Milani highlighters, and this one is in Spark Plug. This was a collaboration with Juicy Jazz, and I think I only used it a couple of times. Not really sure if I like it or not, so maybe I will keep this one in my drawer just to see if I like it. This one I'm gonna put away because it's way too dark for me. This one is in Double Shot. I have both of her collaboration palettes. This one is in We Did Something, and this was more of a neutral tone palette, so I am going to keep this in my drawer. I also have this one, and this one is more of a purple tone, and this one is in Like a Dream. I don't really use purple, so I'm gonna put this away. Then I have this Wet n Wild palette. I think this is the only Wet n Wild palette that I own. I'm gonna remove these stickers here. And this one is their Halloween collection, and it is in Coffin Break. I don't know why I have tape on here. So this one is in Coffin Break, and I really love these colors. Definitely my type of colors, so I am going to keep this in my drawer. Okay, and this one is pretty new to my collection. This is the Wannabe palette by Colourpop, and I will show you guys how it looks. Here's how that one looks. I have not touched it yet, so as you can see, I need to leave it in my drawer. Okay, all right, so I have this e.l.f. Putty Primer, and I got this because there was a lot of hype on this, so I picked it up, but I don't think I am going to open it yet because I have a whole bunch of primers that are open that I need to use up first, so I'm gonna keep that on the side. These are kind of new to my collection. These are the Jason Wu Velvet Liquid Lip, and I have it in Adored, Woo Me, and Leave Me Alone, and these are more of a nude color. I love these. It's not a stain, so it's not gonna stain your lips. It's not gonna stay on your lips for a long time. So if you eat something, it will come off, but the color is just beautiful. So I am going to keep these in my drawer. Okay, and then I have my Nars Concealer. I have been using this for over a year now, and I love it. I am almost done with it. So I'm gonna keep that in my drawer so I can keep on using it. I have this one by L'Oreal, and this one is in pastel, I don't know, pastel something, and it is in 110. This one is like a pink coral color, and I am going to keep this in my drawer because I just recently got this as well. I have my Colourpop concealer. I'm still not sure if I like this or not. It might be because the color is a little bit too light for me, but not really, I don't know. I don't know if I like the formula. So I am going to keep this in my drawer just to try it out a little bit more. I have this matte lip crayon by Milani, and this is in Can't Even. And that's the swatch right there. I will leave this in my drawer just in case I want to use it. I have this Colourpop Luxe, and this one is in Just Imagine. This one's my favorite color out of all of the Luxe line. I don't have much, but I have a few, and this one is my favorite one. I have another one, and this one is in Skinny Dip. I think this is a gloss. Okay, this is a lip oil, and I'm not really sure if I like these. I have my Dose of Colors and Nude Chica. I'm gonna put this away back in my collection. And then I have this Colourpop one in Scenic Route, and I definitely love this color, so I'm gonna save this color for spring. I have this one by Juvia's Place, and this one is in I don't know. I can't really pronounce it. So this is how the color looks, and it's a really pretty nude, so I am going to keep this one out as well. I have this lip gloss, and this is by KKW in Private. I have my Fenty one, and this is a mini. This one's in Sweet Mouth. I'm gonna keep that out as well. I have another one by KKW, and this is in Nude 2. This is a lip gloss. I have this lipstick by KKW, and this one is in Nude 2. So this one's more like an orangey nude. I will be putting this one away. This one is the Milani Matte Lip Crayon in Post Game. Definitely too dark for me, so I'm gonna put this one away. Then I have this one, and this one is Seductress. definitely love this color, so I'm gonna keep this one. I just bought this. This is the NYX concealer that everybody has been raving about on TikTok. So I got mine in I don't see. Okay, I got mine in vanilla. So I'm gonna try that out. And then I have this Believe highlighter. And this one is in Champagne Kiss. Have not tried it out yet, so I'm gonna leave it in my drawer. I have this Undone lip and cheek palette. I have not tried this as well, so I am going to leave it in my drawer. I have this Colourpop Super Shot Cheek highlighter, and this one is in Pearlized. And I just recently bought this one too, so I'm gonna leave it in my drawer. Okay, and then I have my Super Shock eyeshadows, and I will show you what I have. I love this. It's a really pretty taupe color. And I have this one in Twitter Pated. I don't know, I think I might put all my Super Shock shadows away because I really have not touched it. This one's in Birthday Wish. And then this one is in Cheap Date. And it's a gold color. Okay, so let's see. I have this lip gloss and Dance Off. I don't think I really like this color on me, so I'm gonna put this one away. I have two e.l.f. Bite palettes. I really want to play with these, but I always forget them, so I don't know. Maybe I might leave them in. I might take them out. Maybe I will leave them in for a few more weeks, and if I don't use it, I will take them out. Okay, and then I have two of these Ulta Beauty Stay Cheeky liquid blushes, and I really like these. I don't know, I heard it was a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury ones. I don't know, I could be wrong, but I really like them. So okay, so next I have a e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I love these. I have multiple of these, so I am going to put this in my drawer because I don't really need it right now. I have the Undone Concealer. I have not used this yet, so I'm gonna leave that in my drawer. I have the Revlon Skin Lights Bronzer in Sunlight Glow. I don't think I've ever used this. And I kind of want to save it for the summer, so I'm going to put this one away. Next, I have my flower pot in Peach Primrose, and I'm going to put this one away because it's been in my drawer for a very long time, and I just haven't used it yet, so I'm going to put it away. I have two gel eyeliners. This one is in Charmer. I'm going to save this for the fall time. And then I have this one in Immortal, and this is by Makeup Geek. I love this formula, so I'm going to keep this in here. I have a Clear Feather Effect Styling Wax, and I don't know if I like this. I don't know, I'm like back and forth on it. I have this Revolution Concealer in C8.5, and I don't think I've even used it yet, so I'm gonna put that away. I have this Revlon one. I do not know if I like this or not. It's really patchy. It's patchy, and yeah, I don't know if I'm not using the right brush for it, or I should be using like a beauty blender, but even when I use a beauty blender, it's still very patchy, so I'm not sure if I like this. I think I might keep it in my drawer just to try it a little bit longer. And then if I don't like it, I am going to just toss it. I have my Wet n Wild concealer in Light Honey. This one I really like, so I'm going to keep this in my drawer as well. I have my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop mattifying powder, and this one is in medium. I think I could have gotten a light because a medium is pretty, it's a tad bit dark on me, but maybe in the summertime it will be a perfect shade. Okay, so the next thing I have is my e.l.f. Putty Blush, and I don't really have a name for this one, but I think I'm gonna put this one away. And then I have this e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. I think I'm gonna throw this away. I have my Revlon Nearly Naked powder. This is very old, so I'm gonna throw this one away. Alright, so next I have my coconut bronzer in Coconut Beach. And here's how that shade looks. I am going to keep this. Actually, I think I'm gonna put this one away. Next is my Makeup Revolution Soap Brow. And honestly, I'm still trying to get in the hang of using soap brow. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it yet. And then I have my mini Tarte Amazon highlighter in Fantasy. So here's how that one looks. I am going to put this one away. I have my M Cosmetic blush in Magic Hour. Very pretty, so I'm going to keep this one in my drawer. I am going to keep my BH Cosmetic bronzer in my drawer. As you can see, I've been using it quite a lot here. Alright, and then I have my KKW blush, and this one is in Honey Pot. I am going to put this one away. Next is my Tarte Mini blush in Exposed. I am going to keep this in my drawer. Alright, so the last things are my Colourpop Palettes, and these are their quads. This one is in Citrus Fizz. I have this one in She's a Natural. This one's all matte. I have this one in Creamsicle. This one is in Bare It All, and this one's all matte as well. I have this one in Cream Soda. And another one in Sorbet. Alright, so these I love, of course, because I have so many. Alright guys, so that is everything that was in my makeup drawer. I'm happy to finally put some of this stuff back and pick out some new ones. I will probably do a shop my stash, so you guys can shop with me for a little bit. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!